How to leave job when projects aren't done. I'm thinking I want to change jobs. I've been at this job/company for 10 years and would like to do something else. But I don't want to leave a bunch of unfinished design projects behind. I'm the lead with 2 assistant engineers who know very little about the work, bridge design. What happens to projects in this situation if the main engineer on a bit of work, like several projects, leaves?
Yeah, I'd say just leave. Put in your 2 weeks notice, and they'll either transfer over another lead engineer from another project onto this project. I mean, that depending on how your company's organized, I'm sure that they've dealt with people leaving before. Obviously, they don't want you to leave, but people leave all the time, and a good savvy company knows what to do whenever somebody leaves. They'll probably put your job out on the street to apply, hire somebody else, and then yeah, replace you. And then maybe the person that you currently report to will kind of put a little extra workload in and focus on keeping that project alive, while and keeping those juniors going. But yeah, I'd say a good piece of advice that I saw down below is you'll never be in a spot where you can give 2 weeks and have no projects left. Assume the company failed in resiliency by not training those down the ladder. Um, you can only try and pass the torch, but ultimately the rest of the office will have to figure it out. I wouldn't be that harsh about it, but what I just say is give it 2 weeks notice, do a good job of doing handover documentation, make sure that people knows where everybody knows where the project is at, what's remaining, where all the files are at, what things are upcoming, where you're at in the schedule, and then put in your 2 week notice and peace. So that's what I'd say. But yeah, just just leave. Put in your 2 weeks notice and be a really friendly person. Don't burn bridges on your way out. Just be friendly and give them information when they ask for it in those 2 weeks. And then after that, I mean, if you want to answer a couple emails here and there, you can, but don't make yourself too available for that. But just leave. Put in your 2 weeks notice and leave. That's what you do. That's how you leave. You leave. You just do it. You actually leave. I believe in you. Just leave.
Because I ain't chasing payments, still playing in the basement while I'm working on arrangements. They heard the kid in 50 countries, thank God that's amazing. But I'd rather thank Spotify, they put me on the station.